Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video, we're gonna have a little bit of a talk about my blower. Now I had some questions come in about what type of blower I use, so I'm gonna take you outside here in just a minute and show you what I've come up with for my blower situation here in the shop. And here we have it. So I just recently made this little doghouse here to try to cut down on some of the noise for the blower. And it's worked out pretty well so far. So we're gonna go ahead and flip that off there. Whoop. Shaboom! There we have it. So that is the type of blower I'm using. Now this is a portable dust collector from Central Machinery. A 13-gallon industrial, as it says. Let's see here. It is 600 cubic foot a minute of airflow. And it runs off of 120 volt current around here. So there's where you would hook up, you know, the vacuum pipe portion that would go towards wherever, you know, wherever you want, whatever your machinery was, you know, some sawdust or whatever that you were sucking in. And then that would be what would blow into the dust collection bag. And as you can see, I've made this little insulated box. Not to keep it all warm on the inside, but to take and help damper the noise from this blower as it is sitting outside right now. And I felt that that was a good thing to do for the neighbors. And it cuts it down by about 10 decibels. So definitely worth the investment to create that box there. But yeah, so that's what I've got going on there. And then this thing, it comes out with some flexible dryer hose, and it runs right into the shop, into the forge where you see it now. That is just a temporary situation until I build my big brick hearth. So there you have it, easy peasy. Pretty simple little blower operation that I've got set up. You really don't have to complicate that very much. You can do with a lot less airflow, but my plans for a future forge and what I needed power, I needed all the additional airflow that I could get of pushing 600 CFM through a 4-inch terminate type pipe. So I needed all that extra airflow for the different types of designs. I kind of bought in advance of the forge that I plan on building. So that's very helpful. If you have a portable coal forge, a great option for that. I'm going to show you this real quick and then I'll let you go. But right here, if you got a portable coal forge, these little blowers, you guys can see it, that you can buy on Amazon. I'll drop some links to these type blowers, some affiliate links, some Amazon affiliate links down in the description down below. So be sure to check that out. And I'll also put a link to that blower so you guys can read up on the specs as well. Again, I got that at Harbor Freight. I'll try to find something comparable online so that way you can read the specs on that sort of deal. So anyways, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit that like. And if you'd like to support more content like this, check out our website over at blacksmithpds.com. Without further ado, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.